the EBD. EBD is the emergency escape breathing device. This we use for safety if we going to have something problem or have the fire on room. So we have to use this one. But this one not for the firefighting. This cannot use for firefighting. This only for the save ourselves. So this EBD, how to use this EBD? The first time I will show you this. It must be put here. First time, and then we open. Here have the mask. We use the mask. And then here have the pin. This pin we take out, and then here you can break, and then you can going to escape from the room. From here, let's save ourselves. This equipment only for save ourselves, not good for the firefighting.